Hi, my name is Sunil Nair and I'm Solutions Manager for HMS, and we are here in Automation Expo 2025. HMS stands for Hardware Meets Software, and we have our solutions which enable customers to access their data. 2025 Automation Expo has been really fantastic till now. Lot of footfall. It's been larger than ever, and we have been participating in Automation Expo for many years now, and there's always an improvement. There's always new partners, new booths and new technologies that everyone can come and view, and it's always good to be back with all the peer customers and our old friends to meet over here. Thank you.